non-destructive weight reduction on this Fantech Aria XD7. Should be fairly easy. Was it 63? 62? I can see some weight optimization in this when we did the destructive one though already. We can definitely trim this puppy down a bit. So let's put this back together. Non-destructive. That's what we get it down to. What do you reckon? I'm thinking, was it 62? So maybe 60, 58 maybe. Do the battery maybe 57. I'd like to leave that off the side of it, but did I get away with it? I could get away with it, to be fair. I'm gonna leave it off the side because I could get away with it. My grip's just around it, so we're gonna leave it off on me. We don't want the solid thing. The label should never return. We don't want that. We don't want the battery. We're gonna change that out. These buttons give me the vibe of a Rocat. That's what these buttons remind me of. Rocat vibe. So, yeah, put 150 in this milliamp, should be straight swap. Here's one. There we go. Just checking the pins are right, otherwise you will smoke it. Sorry, can't see that. Looks like it's a straight swap. Just check again. Yep, nice. No messing around there. You can easily switch the pins around on them though, if you had to. Goodbye. Oops. Destroyed it in one go. Holy moly. I haven't tried this works, to be fair. Is there a backlight on it? We'll have to pretend it works because we can't test it. There's no there's an LED on it. Maybe it's for the PCB event. Right, when that's plugged in, we'll find out. That's how we'll know. Most awkward ribbon cable in the world. Here we go. Did work. I have seen one that's been crossed over. It might be the extra fire one. So be careful. Yeah, confirm it works. We have confirmation. Include the tape, weight, I suppose. So, not bad. I'm playing without that because my grip, like I said, is slightly off on it, so I get away with it. So we're going to play. I'm going to wait without that side grip. What do you reckon your weight is? Come on, get your weights in. Let's get us on the bottom. Damn, none of us are right. Holy shit, it's even lighter than we thought. Closest Fender, 53.5. Put a side piece on. You know, that's pretty light, to be fair. That's the lighter than I thought it was going to be. So we took 10 grams off it. You know, let's put the feet back on it because we're going to leave them on anyway. Because of where the skates are. Let's try it without the rear one as well. It's not bad. So it's down to 51 maybe with that one. Just. You can deliver without the back. It's not bad straight away there. 50 grams up. Damaging it. Unless you put that back together if you wanted.